What is going on? It's your boy Warner Brother, and we are back with some more Need for Speed No Limits. It's time for episode 333 for some more of the daily grind. That's right, more PvPs, more tuner trials, more car series, maybe some campaign replayables, but definitely some car tuning. Let's get into it. So, we have our gold, our race skips, and the first of 5 free upgrade crates of the day. Let's go ahead and crack that thing open like a soda can. And we're also going to check out some stuff in the store. We won't be getting anything yet, but we will see what is to come. So blueprints, plenty of things to go for, but we're not going to go for anything. Materials, on the other hand, we need plating. And I'm just going to go ahead and buy as much as I can. Regulators, we need them. Because it was a clear black night, a clear white moon. And of course, grab our carbon. Alright, let's go ahead and grab that. And let's get to work on some of the cars in the garage. So, I checked my analytics and I've noticed that 81% of all my viewers are not subscribed to the channel. So do me a favor, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like the videos, feel free to share it to someone who you feel would actually like my content. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you feel the need to do so. And also, hit the bell notification so you can be updated on whenever I release new content. Let's get into it. Now, a big announcement that I want to make, that there is soon, well, right now in the works is a Patreon page. Now, this Patreon page will allow people who, different tier levels, to have certain access to what I do in my videos. It's, namely things like pick what car you want. Say if I'm playing FR Legends or Need for Speed No Limits, you can choose excuse me, you can choose what kind of car you want, and we'll make a custom design for it as far as, like looks and aesthetics and things of that nature. Because I want to start giving y'all a little bit more freedom, a little bit more ability to do certain things in the game with me. And it's a great way for me to make some make some funds until I do get like fully monetized through YouTube. So Patreon is a great way to sort of engage with my audience. So, and there's plenty of other content creators that have Patreons and they do similar things. So that's something that is in the works and that I plan on implementing. So let's hop straight into the PvPs. We are still in limit break, and it's time to break it in. One thing we are going to go ahead and do, I was debating on not doing, but then I changed my mind just now, and that is going to go ahead and do this. We're going to go ahead, work on this turbo, because this car needs the carbon. I should have used them 2 regulators here, but it's fine. And we're going to go ahead and rebuild this ECU. So, that actually didn't drop our performance, which is good. Now, one thing I want to go ahead and do now is also rebuild this motor in the Carrera. Alright, we're getting closer. Oh my gosh. So it's basically just about ready to roll. So I guess I start needing them upgrade kits now. I only have one of them damn things. Alright, well, we'll get more. At least I know what to expect now. Speaking of knowing what to expect, let's hop out of here for just a brief moment. And I want to show y'all what's in store for the store. We have some amazing packs going on right now. We have the Black Edition 8-star Super Pack. Basically, all 6 parts in the Black Edition. Basically maxed out parts for your supercar. We also have a 7-star pack for the Black Edition parts, super. 6-star legendary pack. Or is this? Yeah, 6-star legendary pack. We have the 7-star sports pack Black Edition, which would be perfect for the Carrera. We also have the 6-star legendary pack for sports cars, classic sports epic pack, classic sports rare pack, epic muscle pack, and of course we have some other packs, including this one for the Mercedes-Benz 190E Evo 2. Basically, this will, of course, stage it up. Also stage up the 3000 GT and give us some more blueprints for the Cayenne Turbo GT, which is a nice pack. Be different if it wasn't 3500 gold, but it is what it is. So actually, let's hop straight into the tuner trial. So it's Thursday. That means we have the currency races and the transmission material races. Let's get into it. So we're going to do the rare stuff in... Is that a Supra? Yes, it is. I just realized something. I have almost 2,600 race skips. And I haven't used a single one of them. And I'm probably never going to use a single one of them. Because that is how you miss out on crucial bank. Also, special promo going on right now in game. Certain races give you blueprints for the Carrera. Sorry, not the Carrera, the Cayenne Turbo GT. Now, one other thing I'm going to mention. We are going to really soon start the Bravo event with the McLaren GT. Now, I'm starting the event. I have no intentions of finishing the event and getting the McLaren. I'm doing this because I don't want to waste time for the next event, which I don't remember off the top of my head. I have to look in the messages to remember what's what. Which is fine, because that means that, I'll be informed. I also missed out on a crucial material or something, or something else I was supposed to add. I don't know. We'll figure it out. All right, here we go. Woo! 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 Little tap using the rear end there. Getting past the skylines. I was trying to hit the jump and I missed out on it, but it's fine. I'll get the next one. Huge air. Give me 200. Well, couldn't get 200. But finished in under 40 seconds. Which is good enough for me. Of course, with the extra funds that come along with it as well. So that's the 2 tuner trial races complete. Did we do the 3? We did not. We need one more. Which is fine. Currency, because we need money. Legendary in our 805 Viper. Like, honestly, if I had the money, I'd go ahead and get the 8-star Black Edition Super Pack. I get the 7-star Black Edition Sports Pack. Yeah, and those would be the 2 packs that I would get. Ooh boy, that was pretty close to that wall and to traffic. That wasn't part of the plan. Ooh. That sounded like it hurt. Alright, well, we got it. We got it across the line, so that's good. Now, we are having one main focus in this episode after we get through with the tuner trials and getting the second free upgrade crate. We have one main focus, and that is to push as hard as we can in the underground rivals. Oh damn it, I lost a ton of speed there. I'm just spamming the NOS. And across the line, just under 30 seconds. Spamming that NOS worked out in my favor. So we'll take it. Also, one other thing I wanted to do while we're going to go ahead and grab our second free upgrade crate of the day. I want to give a special shout out to one of my homies. I'm going to use his Xbox gamertag, which is Creamy Spinach. I will link that in the description. He actually helped me out by donating to the cause, which I greatly appreciate. Basically, his donation to help me get the Koenig's egg. So, this Koenig's egg, thanks to you, Creamy Spinach. I appreciate you very much. Alright, so let's go ahead and hop into the PvPs. It's time to get racing. Time to get really racing. So, now as you can tell, I've already did a little bit of driving with the Koenigsegg Gemera. Main concern right now is this. Actually, let's hop straight into the garage for a sec, because I did want to do a little bit more work to that Koenigsegg. Basically, whatever else I can add to it to give it more performance, we're going to go ahead and do right now. ECU. I figured I need something over here. There it is. Alright. So, that's that. Hop back in here. Now we're hopping into the driver division, and we are going to push as hard as we can, because we can get these blueprints for the 67 Camaro. We will have a brand new car in our garage. So, starting things off, we're going up against Crispy in their Cayenne Turbo GT. This will not be any sort of easy feats to go right here. Perfect launch off the line, super strong launch. Managed to get on that NOS faster than my opponent did. 3, 2, 1. And then full NOS, just about. I need to be careful here though. That wall can catch me out if I wasn't careful, which it didn't. Thank goodness. And who knew? Who knew I had that dog in me? One down, 5 more to go. That's all we need. 5 more wins. Making it to the top of the driver division. And we can do this. Now we're going against Neboja. Hopefully I pronounced that right. And their Cayenne Turbo GT. So we reached basically a point where it's just going to be Cayennes. Left, right, center. Ooh, I like that paint color. All right. I dig that. 150%. Beautiful timing on the nitrous. I could have used it in the tunnel. Because I thought we'd be coming out the tunnel. That's why I didn't use it right there. Next time I run this exact course, I'm going to remember that. And then I'm going to be like, shoo. And next thing you know, it's going to be a personal best. So, nitrous boost for 60 seconds. Beautiful. Going against Leonardo and their Cayenne Turbo GT. Oh, this is, yeah, it's a different course. Okay, I like the paint color. Not too big of a fan of those wheels, but hey. What can I say? Not my car. Perfect launch off the line. Cross the line. Not quite a personal best, but we're up there. And we are flying through these races. Now we're going against HAR 376 and their Cayenne Turbo GT. It's just getting quicker and quicker. I haven't set any new personal best yet, but we are on point. And that's the main focus. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. That's not good. How you miss out on that NOS, bro? Cross the line. I think that's a personal best. That is not. That is not a personal best. I forgot it was 22.69 out of 23.69, but that's okay. Mostly because of that launch. I messed up the launch. Now we're going against Dennis and their Cayenne Turbo GT. Same course we just did. Hopefully a little bit better driving. And a way better launch. Oh. We found the golden goose, didn't we? Here we go. Ooh boy, I almost didn't get that perfect launch. But we got it here. We got it now. Let's hold on to it. Oh, wow. That was smooth. That's a personal best. Licked, stamped, and sent. 22.43 personal best. One more race win to go, and we have ourselves a brand new car, figuratively speaking, in the garage. Now we're going up against Alex 574 in their Cayenne Turbo GT, and I think I recognize that gamer tag before. I don't think this is my first rodeo against this driver. At least I don't think it is. Could be wrong, because there's a lot of people, a lot of gamer tags that I've seen that I've recognized before. Oh boy, strong launches from the both of us, but he got just a stronger launch. And he is on that nitrous, ready and waiting. Oh boy, he is fast. I can't catch him. Yeah, I can't catch him. Lag right at the end too. I couldn't catch him. Wow. Damn. Alright. You got me on that one. Let's hop out of there. Let's grab our third free upgrade crate of the day. Oh, not quite ready yet. That's fine. I know we currently don't need any of those. I'm not going to use any of these. What's next at the regulator? ECU mechanisms. I already did ECU. Oh, we do need an ECU kit. But we'll race for it tomorrow. Same thing with the nitro kit. I know what it's for. We'll race for it tomorrow. We won't try to get it today. Alright, third free upgrade crate of the day. Just doing a little bit of planning there. Good stuff. Lubricant. Never go wrong with lubricant. Back into the PvPs. We still got 2 more wins to go for now. It was 1 we lost, and now it's back up to 2. And now we're going against Volkozav in their that melted my brain a bit. In their Cayenne Turbo GT. Oh, they've been in rival tier. This is going to be quite interesting. Not too much a fan of this. Perfect launch off the line. We managed to get the jump on them, but briefly. But they are coming right back at me. Stay on that inside line. Use the NOS to do the thing. Oh boy, he is right there. Oh no, the wall caught me out a little bit. Come on, get to the line. Get to the line. Yes. Right at the end. Just barely edged him out by 1/10 of a second. That was close. That was some good racing. Alright, we're back to here now. 1 more win. Going up against Toxaxa and their M3G80. This ought to be interesting. And we might get destroyed, but there's no success without failure. And trust me, I've felt quite a bit before. Perfect launch. Oh, we got the launch on them. Oh my goodness, we are literally leaving them in the dust. I don't know what's going on, but they have completely disappeared from, woo, not existence, but from the rearview mirror at least. And across the line, and that is how you do it. What? You have a car rated that low and you're an S? You know what? More power to you. But we did it. We have a figuratively speaking, brand new car in the garage. And we are almost at level 137. Which we will hit very soon, actually. Very soon. In fact, we're about to hit it right now. Correction, we will hit it. We'll hit it very soon. Okay. So it's time to go straight into the garage to claim our brand new car. Introducing the 69th car. Nice. Into our garage, over to the muscle category, we have the 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS. In all her classic glory. Absolutely gorgeous looking car. Had basically the same platform as the Pontiac Trans Am from the exact same year. So brand new car right here in the garage. We got it. And you know what? We're not even going to touch it right now. No. Mechanically, we're not going to touch it. In the mod shop, however, oh, you already know what we're about to do. We're about to check out what's in store for this beast. Well, old school beast. So, we're not going to change any of the wheels. It looks like there really is no other, like, stuff for it. At least not right now. Oh, other than the no spoiler alert. But it looks weird without a wing. So, I'm just going to keep the little NASCAR style spoiler on it. And then we will go ahead and actually slap on some nice, even though it has the royal blue metallic. I'm tempted just to keep this. It looks good in this color. We'll keep it for now. We will black out the windows, of course. As far as the wheels, what are we looking at? Ivory matte? Interesting. Let's make that gloss black. Midnight blue. Gloss black. And of course, the brake calipers too are silver. Let's change that to gray. Beautiful. Now, as far as the wrap is concerned, we're going to do something that a lot of people kind of sort of, oh, we can't do it with this car. Okay, never mind. Well, since it will be in next week's PvP, it has a car-specific wrap. Oh! This was the... Wow, I can't even get it until I complete the proving ground for it. That's fine. We'll just do what we've been doing, and for the rest of the month... Wrong one. For the rest of the month, we'll be using the Pride Month wrap. Doesn't look bad. And one last thing, the stance. We're going to go ahead and give it that muscle car stance. Keep the rear end up high. Keep the front end down low. Functional camber. Thing of beauty. Looks good. Looks very good. All right. So let's hop out of there. We made it into the top of the driver division. Let's hop into the breakneck division, because we have 4 races to go here. Now we're going against Jojo Vogel and their Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. And that's basically the type of cars that I've been dealing with so far in the breakneck division. And I'm glad I actually got this car. I love that paint color too. Look at that blue, man. That looks amazing. Let's go. Over rev, but my car is super fast, so it doesn't even matter. And I think they over revved it too. Jesus, come on, man. Yikes. Even getting hit by the ESF, this car is so fast, I still hadn't even lost a lot of time. I mean, he's catching. Well, he was anyway. Whoa! A little bit of hang time right at the end. First time I actually got hit by the ESF in this particular course. And then this car is fast enough to really just handle just about anything that comes this way. Now that's 12 race wins, and that's 9 daily assignments, and that is level 137. Good stuff. Now we're going up against an anonymous driver and their Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. Ooh, okay. I like the all carbon look on that. That is really badass. Oh, that must be from the bounty event, if I had to guess. Perfect launch off the line, smashing through. Shifting the gears. That's twice I got hit by the ESF. I was going so fast to where it honestly didn't affect me. Alright. Now we can avoid getting hit by the ESF on a regular basis. We can turn some really quick times. I mean, we can get pretty far in the breakneck division. Now we're going against MacArthur and their AMDBS SL. I basically just simplified Aston Martin and Superleggera. Ooh, another. Now see, these carbon fiber looks, man, are looking phenomenal. That one, I give that an 8.9 out of 10. That is super sauce. Alright, got a good launch there. Let's see if we can beat this Aston Martin without NOS. Just for the giggles. So far, we've been on point with it. Yikes. Wasn't trying to do that, but wow, we beat them, no NOS and a traffic collision. Damn. Killing it. Oh, we're getting close to getting blueprints for that McLaren P1 GTR. Felcha 666 in their DBS Superleggera. Now, I don't like that number. That means we're going to have to beat you. And just to super flex on you, we're going to do it without NOS. Especially since they keep putting us on the same course. Or is this the one different? And an over rev? Absolutely destroyed them without NAS. And messed up the launch along with everything else that I did wrong. So, that's 5 blueprints for the McLaren P1 GTR. Still need 55 more in order to get the car, which will take us forever. So I'm not too concerned about it. One thing I am going to be concerned about is our 4th free upgrade crate of the day. So let's hop out of there. And let's hop into here. And another free upgrade crate. So this is number 4. Wheel segment. Well, that's really nice. Yes, I did make the wheel joke once again. And apparently something new in store. Probably something to do with me leveling up. There's so many packs this go around. Ah, the new Camaro. Well, I say new. 67 Camaro upgrade pack. We will also get a brand new car in the Mazda MX-5 Speed Hunters. And blueprints for the Stingray Corvettes as well. As well as, of course, some gold and such. Also, the Chevyweight Champion Unlock pack. Basically, would fully stage up the Z28 Camaro. Or would it? No, I don't think it would. It would get us closer. Just staging it up fully, but not quite there. Alright. So, we are going to hop into the campaign, do some campaign replayables, do some ASMR time trials. So, let's slide on over to the Joyriders and go over to Elliot. And go over here. And this is one of the events for the blueprints. Very nice. So, we are hopping into Muscle. Scrolling over to the Camaro. Our brand new offering. And again, this is completely bone stock mechanically. Okay, I messed that up. So let's try that again. Because I forgot to cut my mic. that was pretty quick. Wasn't the quickest thing, of course, but it's quick enough to get us under 35 seconds. Top speed 166. So let's go to the right. And a blueprint for the Cayenne Turbo GT. Nailed it down pack. Very nice. Continuing on, back to time trial. Actually, briefly, let's hop into the garage. Just briefly. Just to see what cars we've talked about. We've done the testing on so far. Did I do the 190? I think I did. Quite sure I did. That one's already done. Arc 7. Evo 6. Countach. We already did Countach. Snoop Dogg Challenger. Need to take a look at something just briefly. Alright, so I was able to figure out which ones do. Which is the RX-7, the Lancer Evo 6, the Snoop Dogg Challenger, and then the WRX, the Sylvia, and the Range Rover, which has a very long name. So, I'm sorry, not the Range Rover. That was my bad. But before we do, we have one final upgrade crate to grab in about a minute. I want to take a look, see what they had to offer in here. I don't think I'm gonna really go for anything there. Oh, we need turbo components now. Well, why not buy all of them? Because I'm quite sure later on down the line I will need it, so makes sense just to snag them now. Back to the crates. And I almost accidentally bought one. That was my bad. That would have been my bad. Let me put it that way. 3, 2, 1, 0, doom. Alright, final free upgrade crate. Thank you very much. And ECU component. Alright. So let's go ahead and grab that assignment. That's done. And then play campaign. Elliott time trial. And the RX-7. So classic sports. Scrolling over. Scrolling over. Scrolling over a little more and a little more. RX-7. Total fun. Now I'll cut my mic, and I actually idled to start things off. So you can hear the burp, burp, burp. Man, oh man, I love the sound of a rotary. That sounded absolutely amazing. Finished well under 30 seconds. Let's go to the left now. Ooh, another blueprint for the Cayenne. Man, we are on it. Alright, back to the time trials. And then this one, we will be doing the Evo 6. No. Damn, Jackie Chan would have been proud of that run, because that one was really on point. Let's go down the middle. Grab a wheel component. You know that's really nice. Alright, so continuing on. Over to Dwayne. Go to time trial. And then from there, we are going to do, it was the Sylvia, right? I think it was. I could be wrong. Let's go ahead and do that. Just scroll over past the Arc 7. Yes, so it was the Snoop Dogg Challenger, then the WRX, then the Sylvia. Dwayne, thank you very much. Time trial. Click the muscle. Muscle is where we're at now. Scrolling over to the Snoop Dogg Challenger. A great finish with more than 10 seconds left on the clock. Well under 30 seconds. Go to the left again. Nitro mechanism. Good stuff. Back to the time trial. And then back to classic sports. I'm sorry, over to street, my bad. WRX. Now it's time for the boxer engines to make a showing, so I'll cut my mic for this one. That one was a quick run, especially from a car in the street class. A street class car, man. I'm telling you, let's go down the middle. Sweet money. All right, so that's the 5 campaign races done. And then the final time trial for today. And from there, we'll call this one an episode. Now, back into the classic sports category, because, of course, we have the Sylvia S15. And this is the Spec R version, so I'll cut my mic for this one. That one was actually slower than the WRX that we just did. As far as the time wise. Speed wise, it was faster. To the right, nitro mechanism, boom. Alright, so that will end it for this episode of Need for Speed No Limits. Tune in next time for episode 334, where we will hopefully be doing day 1 of the Bravo Lab event with the McLaren GT. Like and subscribe for more content, also for motorsports and gaming content. I will leave links to different channels in the description. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining. Much love, much appreciation. It's your boy Warner Brother, and I'm out of here with this beautiful C7 Camaro, and peace.